tables. So whatever today I'm going to discuss, this is, you no need to practice this. First thing, whatever I'm discussing today, no need to practice. Just understand and keep it with you. Okay. So tables are used to store data in SAP database. Tables are used to store data. So why? I need to store my data somewhere, right? Okay. So tables are used to store data in SAP database. We can store configurations, master data, transaction data in tables. Reports are getting generated from tables. Reports are generated from tables. రిపోర్ట్స్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తాయి? టేబుల్స్ నుంచి వస్తాయి. ఎందుకు? టేబుల్స్ లో డేటా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి. when you have a data, you can get a report. Data is stored in the tables. When you click save button, either your configuration or your master data or your transaction data, that will store in the tables. Now I'll take one example. FB03. This is the document. I'll take one document. This is the document. Here you have header value. We have header value. So the document is divided into two types: header and item. Header values, if you see, this is the field. This is a field, this is a field, this is a field, this is a field. Everything is a field. Go to F1 button in your laptop. F1 button in your laptop. You have this tool symbol, toolkit symbol, technical information. Here it will tell you in which table the data is stored. The data is stored in BKPF table. So that means header data will store in BKPF table, whereas item table will store in BSEG table. Okay, sir, how do you know, sir? I'll go to the item. If it's showing structure, means it's a wrong. We cannot find out. Then what is the alternative? I'll go with GL account. F1, F1 table, F1 in your laptop, F1. Here, yeah, transparent table. If it is transparent table, means it's a pure table, BSEG. So header information will store in BKPF. Line item details will store in BSEG table. Like this, there are so many tables that we'll see later point. So now these two are very important. Okay, sir. We have understood the tables. Now where I can go and see the data in the tables? Very simple. SC16N is the table. SC16N is the tables. Now Coming to this tables, SC16N, BKPF, company code B007. If I execute, I can see all the three records which we have done. I can see complete information also. This is the complete information. So lot of data will be stored in these tables. When you run FBL3 and report, it will pick from this and it will show you. FBL3 and report మనం run చేసినప్పుడు there will be backend program where SAP has written. They'll come to this table, they'll pick the data, they will display. So we will not see that how it is picking and all. But just for our knowledge, the data will be stored in tables. Okay. Yeah. Now go back. One more table, BSEG. B007. Execute. This is the item table. Item means debit one, credit one. Debit one line item, credit one line item. These are tables where all cost centers, profit centers will be stored here. Amount, cost centers, cost means everything will be stored here.